Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. I saw a response to one of my videos, the one entitled The Story of Geofatboy and Shave Nation. I'll put a link to it up there so you can check it out. And this is a pretty nice letter that somebody wrote. And it's a little bit touching, and it's a little bit nice, and it's not just about me, it's about all of you as well. That's what makes it cool. So I'll read this to you, and you can have your thoughts on it. Let me know what you think about it down below. I'd love to hear your comments. I'm going to call it the Brotherhood of Shaving. It's from Grimjaw Jackerjack. Man, after hearing your story, even before that, I thought, these guys in the shaving YouTube community seem oddly nice. Then I proceed to look around on wet shaving forums and then realize the shaving community of the internet are one of the nicest people on the internet, period. Then, hearing your story, even though I know that people have up and down in their lives, I still feel that you deserve everything you got now and much more. The price on your website is very competitive. I will try to order things from your website if I need anything. Thank you for that. I appreciate it. I just really like the positivity of the shaving community in general. But man, you and other shaving YouTubers are such a nice, good human being without prejudice, favoritism, or discrimination whatsoever. I hope you the very best and continuing the company. Thank you again. You truly are a good human being, and I've seen doesn't matter what you believe in or religion, politics, and all that stuff that might judge people before knowing them. But I can't seem to get the thought out of my head that, man, you really got good positivity vibes and all the good stuff oozing out of you. Sorry for my bad English, as it's my third languages, but I will probably be a long-term customer as long as your shop remain open, and I will continue to support you. Listen, I don't speak 3 languages. I wish I did. I think your third language is pretty fantastic, so good job to you. Thank you for the information and the knowledge you provide. I truly appreciate all of that, and I really mean it. Thank you very much. Sincerely, a young man just started on his wet shaving journey. Very sweet letter. And I think that's what it's all about. Like in the past, all the clubs that I've heard of, or I haven't been a member of very many clubs, what I've seen, if you're in a club, sometimes it is a way to get a step above somebody who might not be in that club. So, clubs are good, clubs are bad. You think whatever you want to think of them. But the Brotherhood of Shaving, this gentleman is true. The internet activity surrounding the shaving community and the members and the Brotherhood and all the people that are into it, they're just really top-notch, nice people, friendly, kind. Just a quick example, 6 or 7 years ago, this is our 3rd or 4th location for Shave Nation getting into. When I moved to this spot 6 years ago, I think it was, the gentleman came to hook up our internet and telephone, and we started talking, and he had known a little bit about shaving. I think at that point in time, he was just starting to get into it, and I think he knew who I was. And so I thought, well, it's pretty cool. So I gave him some shaving equipment. I think I gave him a Shave Nation shaving bowl, one of the original Geo Bowl shaving bowls, and a couple other things. And now that person has kind of become an ambassador himself, always posting online, posting on YouTube or posting on Instagram, that sort of thing. And so he, because I did a little favor for him, PIF, pay it forward. You got to be hip on your shaving terminology. I'll put a link up there too. You can check out your shaving terminology so you can be up to date on that. Check out the video I made about it. But anyway, just the Brotherhood, the small little thing that I did, he got into it. I'm sure that he has turned many other people onto wet shaving as well. So just by taking a little step, helping somebody out, sending him a link to a video, telling him, it's a better way to shave, that sort of thing, it all goes around and comes around, and who knows, some good will come of it. Oh, and it's not just the Brotherhood. There are some sisters involved in it as well. They are wet shavers too, so more power to them. What it comes down to in the end, it's very simple. Just sharing the love of wet shaving. One person likes it, another person likes it, he tells somebody else, it's all word of mouth, and it spreads. And as long as people are nice to each other, and you're not hurting anybody else, nothing wrong with that. So go ahead and have fun with it. Razors, blades, creams, brushes, talk about it all. Leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say about it. I just wanted to share that with you because I thought it was a very kind letter. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.